Hi, I'm Rajkumar.
என் பேர் வினோத்.
என் பேர் டி சுபாஷ்.
சென்ட் லூயிஸ் ஸ்கூலில் 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்லேருந்து படிக்கிறேன். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி வரைக்கும் வெள்ளூர் பிளைண்ட் ஸ்கூலில் படித்தேன். அங்கே வந்து எனக்கு இந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு உதவிகள்லாம் கிடைக்கல. இங்கே தான் வந்து நான் வந்து கம்ப்யூட்டர்ஸ்லாம் நல்லா கற்றுக்கிட்டேன்.
அப்பா வந்து நான் 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சேரத்துக்குள்ளேயே வந்து இறந்துட்டார். அம்மா வந்து ஷாப் கீப்பராக இருந்து தான் வந்து 6th 12th வரைக்கும் படிக்க வச்சாங்க.
I retired in March 2010, came back to India in Chennai. After my return to Chennai, I was wondering, having had a very busy life, banking life, all 37 years, what would I do after my retirement? Then one day Mr. Patel called me up and said, would you like to take up their social-backed objectives?
3 boys sitting near me. On my left is Fernando. He was one of the earlier beneficiary of our scholarship program. He finished his graduation and is now working for Amazon. This is Vinod. Vinod, he also finished his BA as well as his MA degree. Vinod is a very good writer. He writes quite a lot on Facebook. He is also my Facebook friend. And he is now working for Indian Overseas Bank. And this is our friend Navrasan. He is Navrasan is a teacher. He is teaching in government high school. So within 5 years we are seeing the results of our actions. Whatever program we introduce, I think we are able to produce some brilliant blind people who are now part and parcel of our normal society. And our ultimate goal is that, look, every blind student capable of getting an entry into the college should be eligible for our scholarship. We are trying our best to encourage as many students as possible. We have not put any ceiling on how many students. Ideally, we should be supporting all the blind students, boys and girls, in all the colleges in India. This is our goal, and with the support of our friends and other understanding people, we hope that we will be able to provide them with sufficient financial resources to back this scholarship program.
Basically, I'm a technology lover. I love to learn technology more. Still, I'm learning more things in the technology. Like currently, I wish to learn AI and accessibility testing and all. During this lockdown time, I learned some programming languages like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, web development course, Python, and audio game developing and all.
ನನ್ನ ಆಂಬಿಷನ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗಿಂತ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓದೋದು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೂ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
I am the person who have taken district 3rd mark 466 in my 10th standard, and in my 11th and 12th I have taken arts with computer science group.
Gives visually impaired students access to higher education and enabling them to get empowered and placed in different sectors. HTBF came out with Education, Mobility and Employability Training Program. This training program helps the students to get trained in computers, English, mobility and employability skills. At HTBF, students undergo 2 years of extensive training program where they develop certain skill sets to get placed in leading companies and sectors. It provides this training program at pan-India level so that a VI from any place in India can ace in any jobs like marketing to science and agriculture to law. Further, students who are under EMET program gets internship opportunity too, so that students understand work culture and get hands-on experience too. They are given certificates for the same, adding value to their resume. Furthermore, VI student gets an opportunity to participate in various activities like debate competitions, group discussions, singing competition, personality development, etc.
I delete it.
I delete it.
L. Enter. Delete.
D.
Web.
Hello everyone, I am Kajal Kumari. I am from Jharkhand and I am pursuing my graduation from Banaras Hindu University. Apart from my education, I am also learning English, computer, employability and mobility from EMET course, which is provided by the Cognizant Foundation and Help the Blind Foundation. Before 6 months, I was thinking that I can't operate computer and I am not able to speak in English with any person. But now I am able to do both, and I also learnt about employability and mobility, which has enhanced my confidence.
We cannot see who are helping us, but we could feel them with their love and kindness. எங்களுக்கு யார் உதவி பண்ணுறாங்கன்னு எங்களால் பார்க்க முடியாமல் இருக்கலாம், ஆனால் அவங்களோட அன்பாலையும் இரக்கத்தாலையும் நாங்கள் அவங்கள எங்கள் இதயத்தில் உணர்றோம்.